meron akong ipinagbabawal na technique.
In case hindi mo pa alam, pero hindi mo na pwedeng dalhin ng pamilya mo sa Canada kung hindi master's ang program na kukunin mo. And because of that, ang daming pangarap na naputol. Bakit? Una, sobrang hirap makapasok sa isang master's program in a university. Konti lang yung slots, tapos ang taas pa ng kompetisyon. Pangalawa, mahal din yung cost. Most families can't simply afford graduate level tuition in a university setting. Pero ito na nga, may ipinagbabawal na technique na legal, legit, pero under the radar. Alam mo ba na madaming colleges sa Canada ang may spousal scholarships, where your husband, wife, or partner will only have to pay 50% of the tuition fee as long as both of you are enrolled. Now, bakit ito sobrang ganda? Dahil dalawa kayong estudyante, meaning dalawa kayong magkakaroon ng Canadian qualification, dalawa kayong magkakaroon ng post-study work rights or the ability to work after you graduate, dalawa kayong pwedeng makahanap ng above minimum wage jobs, dalawa kayong may chance for a PR pathway instead of only one. And best of all, mas mura pa din to than taking a master's program in a university. Ito yung point. Kung hindi ka makapasok sa master's, this is your second door, this is your workaround, this is your loophole. And it's helping hundreds of Filipino couples start their Canadian journey without breaking the bank.